There are definite signs that your roof is failing. If you have a roof that leaks, you'll have water intrusion in probably some of the most valuable parts of your house. Water, I say, is lazy. It goes where there's least resistance. And then if you don't see signs that it's leaking, you could have significant dry rot that would cost you tens of thousands of dollars to replace and repair. Obviously, if your roof is leaking, it is the most important and urgent sign, but you can see the shingle lose granules at the end, and it shows a little bit of a fiberglass and kind of like a shiny reflection. And those are the times that you really want to move quickly and replace your roof. In the market, a lot of roofs were sold without having the longevity they should have. So most roofs don't last more than 15 years. Quality First 20 years ago decided that we would only sell the best roofing system in the market and that the market provides. The industry is riddled with contractors that don't have the great products and the good installations. So I always tell people, if you've ever lived through your roof being torn off, it is just a horrific experience with having people up on your roof making noise, taking out thousands and thousands of nails. And if you don't want to live through that experience twice, then choose the right roof for your home so that it's going to last you at least your lifetime, and then pass it on to the next homeowner. Every roofing system that we sell at Quality First comes with a GAF Golden Pledge warranty. So they warranty the product for 50 years, as well as the labor to replace that product if it fails. And GAF is a company that's been around 137 years plus. They're actually older than Coca-Cola. So we've partnered with the right company to give consumers that peace of mind that everyone is looking for when it comes to their house. Quality First was founded that we wanted to be your contractor for life, which means each product line that we deliver to consumers, we wanted it to be the best that the industry had to offer through the materials, the distribution, and the installations, having the installers be certified from the factories on how the product is supposed to be installed. We did that so that we wouldn't just sell one line. We may do your roof today, but when you were looking for the best window with the same concepts, then you would call Quality First. We'd come back and we would provide the same experience with windows that we did with the roof.